What if I told you that a full cinematic music video can now be created with AI using just one image?
Falling through the smoke and fire, I can hear the distant call. Every sky became a lesson. I won't let my spirit fall through the dark where shadows break. I kept running through the rain. Every tear became a river, washing off the fear and pain. I was lost inside the silence.
Normally, creating a professional music video can take weeks of filming, editing, and sometimes even cost thousands of dollars. But today, I'm testing Sondo AI, a powerful tool that can turn music, ideas, or even a single image into a complete cinematic music video in just minutes. And the crazy part is, it doesn't just generate random visuals. The AI actually analyzes the rhythm, emotion, and mood of your track, then automatically creates scenes that match the music beat by beat. It also handles things like scene generation, visual storytelling, and even realistic lip syncing automatically, which normally takes a huge amount of manual editing work. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a full AI music video from start to finish using just one image. Let's get started. First, click the link in the description and create an account on Sondo AI. Once you enter the home page, you'll see two main options: create music and create music video. Before we make the video, we first need to create the music. So click on create music. Now you'll see two generation modes: basic and advanced. I personally recommend choosing advanced because it gives you more control over how your song sounds. If you want better quality and more accurate results, this is the better option. Next, paste your lyrics into the lyrics section. After that, move to the genre section. Here, you can either type your own custom genre description or choose from the built-in options. Then add a title for your song and choose the vocal gender. Once everything is ready, click create. Within a few minutes, your music will be generated.
Falling through the smoke and fire, I can hear the distant call. Every sky became a lesson. I won't let my spirit fall through the dark where shadows break. I kept running through the rain. Every tear became a river, washing off the fear and pain.
One thing I like here is that the workflow is very beginner-friendly. You do not need professional experience or music production knowledge to start creating music. Once you're happy with the result, download the song. Now it's time to turn the song into a music video. Click on the music video option. The tool will automatically add your generated audio into the music video generator. Next, upload one image. This image will become the main character or visual identity of your video, so choose carefully. Now we come to one of the most important parts, the video prompt. This is where you describe how you want the music video to look. A lot of people create weak AI videos because they use weak prompts. Instead, try to explain details such as the visual style, camera movement, mood, background environment, colors, scene pacing, animation speed, and the emotions of the character. The clearer and more detailed your prompt is, the better your final result will be. Next, add the video title, aspect ratio, and resolution. Then click Generate Script. Now this is where things start to get really interesting. Sondo AI uses an AI agent system to build your music video step by step. First, the AI analyzes your song. It studies the rhythm, tone, and emotional energy of the track. Then, it tries to understand the feeling behind the music. For example, is the song emotional, dark, energetic, or peaceful? This is important because strong visuals need to match the emotion of the music. After that, the AI begins generating creative ideas. Then it creates the main story concept. Next, it builds a storyboard, which shows what happens during different moments of the video. In simple words, the AI plans the visual story before it starts generating scenes. That's why the final result often feels more organized and cinematic instead of looking like random AI clips. Finally, the AI creates images and animates them into moving scenes. This full process is what gives the video a polished and professional look. Once the generation is complete, your music video will be ready. And if you want to change anything, Sondo AI also includes editing tools. Simply click the edit button. You'll then see a full editing timeline with video clips, images, audio tracks, scene structure, and more editing options. The editor works very similarly to CapCut. For example, example, if you want to change a scene, just click on the video clip, write a new prompt for that shot, generate the new scene, and replace the old one. This is extremely useful because instead of rebuilding the entire video, you only need to fix the weaker parts. That saves a lot of time while keeping the overall quality high. Once all your edits are finished, click Export. After processing, your final music video will be ready.
Falling through the smoke and fire, I can hear the distant call. Every sky became a lesson. I won't let my spirit fall. Through the dark where shadows break, I kept running through the rain. Every tear became a river, washing off the fear and pain. I was lost inside the silence, chasing echoes in my mind, but the fire inside my heartbeat left the broken past behind. Now I rise above the ashes, higher than I've been before. Every wound became my power, I could feel it in my core. We were born to light the sky, even when the world turns cold. Hold the fire, hold the dream, never let your story fall. Hear the thunder in our veins, feel the stars begin to glow. We are stronger through the storm, and together we will grow.
And honestly, the final result looked surprisingly good. The visuals matched the rhythm, the mood followed the music, and one of the coolest features was character consistency. The same main character stayed visually similar across multiple scenes, which is something many AI tools still struggle with. Because of that, the final video feels much more professional and connected. I also noticed that the lip sync quality looked very natural and lifelike, especially compared to many other tools. That small detail makes the characters feel much more realistic on screen. So, if you're a creator without a huge budget, this tool can be incredibly powerful. Instead of spending weeks filming and editing, you can create a strong visual story much faster using AI. Another big advantage is that creators keep ownership of the music and videos they create, and the content can also be shared across different platforms for monetization opportunities. In simple words, your creations can become content that also helps you earn. If you want to test all the features, Sondo AI offers a paid plan starting at around $10 per month. I've shared the link in the description if you want to check it out and try creating your own music video. If you need any help, feel free to join our Discord or Telegram group. It's the perfect place to ask questions, share your creations, and connect with other creators who can help you make even better videos. Plus, you'll find all the AI tools and the exact prompts we used in this tutorial, so you can try them out yourself. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.